YouTube friends, welcome to another craft video. I'm Sarah and my small business is StickerKitten. I design and make my own range of cute and contemporary papercraft supplies and planner supplies. And in this video I'm going to make a couple of cute cards using our new Dinosaurs range. We've got a paper pack and some new ephemera packs. This is a card that I made yesterday. And today I'm going to be using some of the bigger dinosaurs and our new numbers ephemera. So let's get started. This is our new Dinosaurs paper pack. It's a 6x6 size. You get 30 sheets of paper and there's 10 different designs. So all the artwork for this collection was done by my husband James. So we've got dinosaur footprints. So you get 3 sheets of each design. We've got this nice kind of coral coloured tumbling dinosaur pattern. This one's a mix of all the cute dinosaurs and foliage, mountains, so you can use it as like a backdrop, green tumbling dinos, this kind of pool and forest type scene, some more lovely leaves, yellow tumbling dinos, a nice cloud pattern which is cool with the pterodactyls like a fly in the sky, some cute mini dinos, and that one's from further back. I've mixed up my pack a bit. And then the ephemera we've created to go with this paper pack. There's 3 different ones. So one of them is like dinosaur scenes, so you get like the pool and the tree and a volcano, and you get these little mini dinosaurs so you can layer them up. So that's what I did for this card here that I made yesterday, and you get some excellent punny sentiments in there, like have a terrific birthday, you're the Triceratops, have a T-Rex-cellent day. We also have bigger dinosaurs, so these are ones that you can use with the kind of the background scene papers in the pack. I think there are 10 different types of dinosaur, and you get 2 of each in different directions, so you can choose which way around you want them on your cards. And you also get some sentiments, so have a dino-rific day, 2 of those, and you're awesome. And then the third ephemera pack is these big numbers, which I've wanted to do for a while because it's so handy for kids' birthday cards to have just a simple design of like the numbers and then like maybe 1 or 2 dinosaurs and a nice background paper, so you can have like happy 9th birthday, or you can say like 7 today. So you get 2 of each number in the pack, and I can't remember what I did. You get 3 lots of happy birthday and 4 lots of today, and then lots of these little banners for 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th and so on. So yeah, so the card that I'm going to make first, I'm going to use a square card blank. This is a 5x5 size, and I want to make a scene with the bigger dinosaurs. So I'm going to pull out the this background paper, and the first thing I do, if you've seen my craft videos before, I always draw around my card blank to get the right size for my background paper, and then I will just trim it a little bit smaller than the line I've drawn, and that will give a nice slim border which looks nice. So I'll just check that that fits as I want it. This card blank's a bit wonky. Never mind. Maybe we'll do it that way around. That's a bit better. And then I just use tacky glue to stick that down. If you've been following me for a while, you know that my crafting style is really clean and simple, so I don't tend to add a lot to my cards. I like to have just the background piece and then arrange the toppers on top. And I design all my collections so that everything matches really well, so you don't have to kind of scrabble around trying to find things that go together, like the colours match, the themes match, and the papers work with the ephemera. And it just makes it really easy to make cards quickly. I know some people really like spending a long time on one card, but I don't. I like a card to take me like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, just crack them out. So this collection is designed with that in mind too. So I've got a little plesiosaur, I don't know how to say it. I've got him in the water, and then I think maybe he needs a little friend standing on the rocks. So maybe we'll have him here, an ankylosaurus, and then I want a sentiment somewhere, maybe at the top, and then I don't know if we want a pterodactyl as well, or if that would be too busy. I kind of do want him in there. It makes the dinosaurs seem like, you know, they're very sociable, they've got lots of friends. So we'll do that. I'm going to stick all these dinos down with foam pads so they pop off the card. There we go, the first really simple card is done, and now I want to do one that uses the numbers and the dinosaurs too. So let's move on to the next one. Next month it's my friend's little girl's birthday. She's going to be 4, so I'm going to make a card for her. I've pulled out this paper from the paper pack because it's nice and bright, and I'm going to use some of the numbers ephemera, so it's going to say happy 4th birthday. And then at the bottom I'm going to put a volcano with these cute mini dinosaurs. So just like before, the first thing I want to do is just get my background paper to the right size. So I'll draw around it and then just trim it a little bit smaller again. I'll just check that that looks the right fit, and then I'll stick it down with tacky glue. So first I want to place my elements on the card and just check how they're going to work together before I glue anything down. So I want the 4 above, volcano, happy over there, birthday, it's okay if that overlaps, and then this can just be tucked behind the 4, and then we'll have our 2 little dinos. So this guy, I don't know, maybe he can't be a Brachiosaurus because he doesn't have a crest on his head, my son will tell me. Maybe he's an Apatosaurus. Maybe he's a Diplodocus. Although all Leo's books say I should be pronouncing it Diplodocus. I'm learning a lot about dinosaurs. So I'm happy with that placement. So now I'll stick the elements down. I want to use a mixture of glue and foam pads for this, so I'll glue down the volcano, and then I'll glue down maybe this, and the other elements can all pop forwards, upwards with foam squares. Okay, so that's the outside of the card done. I'm really pleased with how it looks. I did raise this little bit up on a foam pad in the end because I realised I can still tuck it behind, which is what I wanted to do. I do actually want to add some bits on the inside of this card. I really wanted to use this sentiment, have a T-Rexcellent day, but it doesn't really fit on the front. So I'm going to put it in the middle of the card here and then have a big T-Rex on this side, which will be very fun. So I'll just glue those down flat. I don't want them to be too bulky and in the way of the inside of the card, so I just glue them flat. And then I want a T-Rex that's facing that way, Here he is. There we go, so we've got the T-Rex and the sentiment inside, and then this little scene on the front, and the numbers ephemera and bits and pieces. If you like these craft products, they are available on my website, which is stickerkitten.co.uk, or if you're outside the UK, then you can find these products on our Etsy shop, which is stickerkittendesign.etsy.com, I think. I'll put the link in the description. We also have some other bits to match this range, so as well as the paper pack and the 3 ephemera packs, we also have cute stickers. I haven't got all of them here, but there's one for each of the dinosaurs, and we also have some big stickers. So these are holographic. Again, there's one for each of the dinosaurs, and these are made with a waterproof vinyl, so you can use them on lunch boxes and water bottles and laptops and notebooks and that sort of thing. So yeah. The other thing that would be great is if you could sign up to my mailing list, which is stickerkitten.co.uk/newsletter. I email about once a week to let everyone know about new products, or sometimes I do free shipping offers, and sometimes I send out like creative ideas for cards to make and that sort of thing. So if that sounds cool to you, then please do sign up. And also I should probably tell you to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well, so yeah, please do those things. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you soon in another craft video. Bye for now!